What if I told you that the way you wake up tomorrow morning could completely change your life? Not next year, not someday, but starting tomorrow. It sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but think about it carefully. Why do some people seem calm, focused, and in control of their lives, while others feel stressed, distracted, and always behind? Is it because they are smarter, more talented, or just lucky?
Or is it something much smaller? Something most people ignore every single day? Their mornings.
Because the truth is this: your morning is not just the beginning of your day, it is the foundation of everything that follows.
If your morning is rushed, stressful, and chaotic, your day will often feel the same.
But if your morning is calm, clear, and intentional, your day has a completely different direction.
Welcome to Daily English JC, where you don't just learn English, you also learn how to improve your mindset, your habits, and your life.
Today, we are going to explore something powerful, something practical, and something you can start using immediately: the 10 morning habits of successful people.
And as you listen, do not just listen. Imagine yourself doing these habits. Visualize your future.
Because this is not just information, this is transformation. Now let's begin. Let me ask you something honestly. How do you usually wake up? Do you hit the alarm button many times? 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes.
And suddenly you're late, stressed, and rushing. Or maybe the first thing you do is check your phone. Messages, notifications, social media, scroll.
And before you even get out of bed, your mind is already full of other people's lives, problems, and opinions.
This is how most people start their day, without thinking, without control. But successful people are different. They're intentional. They decide how their day begins.
And that is where everything changes. Let's start with the first habit: wake up early.
There's something special about early mornings. The world is quiet. There's no noise, no pressure, no distractions. It's a moment where you can hear your own thoughts clearly.
And no one is asking you for anything. Waking up early gives you time to think about your goals, time to prepare your mind, time to start your day slowly instead of rushing.
You do not need to wake up extremely early. You're not competing with anyone. Just start by waking up 20 or 30 minutes earlier than usual.
That small change can create a big difference over time.
Habit number 2. Drink water.
After many hours of sleep, your body needs hydration. This is one of the simplest habits, but also one of the most powerful.
Before coffee, before anything else, drink a glass of water.
Yes, even if you love coffee.
Water helps wake up your body, activate your brain, and improve your energy.
You can even make it a small ritual. Wake up, stretch, drink water, breathe. These small actions send a signal to your brain that a new day has started.
Habit number 3. Move your body.
You don't need to do something complicated. Keep it simple. Stretching, walking, light exercise, even dancing if you want.
Movement increases your energy and improves your mood.
When you move your body, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel good.
That is why people often feel happier after exercise. Even 10 minutes can change your entire morning.
Habit number 4. Practice silence.
In today's world, silence is rare. We're always connected, always listening, always reacting.
That is why taking a few minutes of silence in the morning is so powerful.
Sit down. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. In slowly. Out slowly.
You don't need to stop your thoughts. Just observe them. This helps your mind become calm and clear.
And when your mind is clear, your decisions become better.
Now, let's pause for a moment. If you're still listening, it means something inside you wants to grow.
So take a second and ask yourself this question. What kind of person do I want to become?
And more importantly, what habits can help me become that person?
If you're serious about improving your English and your life at the same time, stay connected with Daily English JC.
Because this is not just about language, this is about growth.
Habit number 5. Read something inspiring.
What you feed your mind in the morning matters a lot. Instead of negative news or distractions, choose something that helps you grow. It can be a book, a quote, or even a short lesson. Reading in the morning gives direction to your thoughts, and over time, those thoughts shape your actions.
Habit number 6. Plan your day.
Successful people don't leave their day to chance. They plan it. Start by writing 3 important tasks. Not too many, just 3.
Focus on what truly matters. Not everything is important. Planning your day reduces stress and increases productivity.
You know what to do, and you do it with clarity.
Habit number 7. Practice gratitude.
This habit changes your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you already have.
Your health, your opportunities, your progress.
Gratitude brings peace and positivity.
Habit number 8. Avoid your phone early in the morning.
This is difficult.
But it's necessary.
Give yourself at least 30 minutes without your phone. This protects your focus and your mental energy.
Habit number 9. Eat a healthy breakfast.
Your body needs fuel. If you eat well, you feel better. If you eat poorly, you feel tired. Keep it simple and healthy.
Habit number 10. Learn something new.
This is one of the most powerful habits because learning keeps your mind active and growing.
And right now, you're already doing it. You're listening, understanding, improving. That's progress.
You don't need to do everything perfectly. Just start with one habit, then another.
Progress is built step by step.
Tomorrow morning is your opportunity, a new beginning. Don't waste it. Wake up with intention. Act with purpose.
And stay consistent.
If you continue like this, your life will change, slowly but surely.
And if you want to continue improving your English while building better habits, stay with Daily English JC.
This is not just learning. This is transformation.
See you in the next episode.
Let's grow together.